In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a news article into tweets using the ChatGPT Atlas app, a handy tool that helps simplify content transformation into social media-friendly bites. Let's dive right in and explore how you can streamline this process efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by opening the ChatGPT Atlas app on your preferred device. This app is your gateway to transforming long-form content into concise tweets, making it an essential tool for content creators, marketers, or anyone looking to share information quickly on social media. Once you've launched the app, the next step involves navigating to a reputable website of your choice. For this tutorial, let's use BBC's website as our source. Simply open your browser and head over to the BBC site, where you'll find a wide array of news topics and articles to choose from. After arriving at bbc.com, your task will be to select a news article. This could be any article that piques your interest or is relevant to your audience. Take a moment to scan through the headlines or sections until you find one that resonates with you. Selecting the right article is crucial because it sets the tone for the tweets you'll generate later. With your chosen article open, direct your attention to the ChatGPT sidebar within the app. This sidebar is where the magic happens, acting as your command center for content transformation. You'll find it conveniently located, ready to assist you in converting that full-length article into bite-sized tweets. Now it's time to craft your prompt. The prompt is essentially a command instructing ChatGPT on how you want the content to be processed. In this case, you'll type in a clear and concise prompt such as, "Convert this article into tweets." Being specific with your prompt ensures that ChatGPT understands your intent and executes the conversion process efficiently. Once your prompt is entered, your next move is to click the Submit button. This action signals ChatGPT to start working on your request, processing the article, and breaking it down into tweet-sized segments that are perfect for Twitter's character limits. It's a seamless process that takes only a few moments. As ChatGPT does its thing, you can relax knowing you're about to receive a series of tweets that summarize the key points of the article you selected. These tweets are not only informative, but also engaging, making them ideal for sharing with your audience to spark discussions or inform your followers about the latest news. By using the ChatGPT Atlas app, you transform the task of content creation from a time-consuming process into a swift and efficient one. It empowers you to keep your social media feed active and your followers engaged with ease. Make sure to explore this tool further for all your content needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these steps helpful in your content creation journey.